Okay, so welcome to another episode of Quick Calculus, and in this video, we'll be talking about limits at infinity. So, in the last episode, pinag-usapan natin is limits involving infinity, kung saan yung limit will approach infinity. Pero pag sinabi natin limits at infinity, yun ay if the limit as x approaches positive infinity of f(x). Anong nangyayari doon sa ating function kapag yung value na linalagay natin sa kanya is palaki ng palaki? Diba? Ano nangyayari? Lumalaki din ba siya? Lumalaki ng lumalaki ba? Lumiliit ba? Nag-approach ba siya ng a certain value? Diba? So, pwede rin natin sabihin yon as x approaches negative infinity of f of x, no? So, ano ba siya? Nagiging equal to L ba siya? Nagiging equal to positive infinity? Nagiging equal to negative infinity? Ito yung pinag-usapan natin kapag limits at infinity. Okay? So, meron tayong mga important na theorems kapag limits at infinity. And madali lang naman natin na ipapaintindi yung theorems na to. No? So, basically, pag sinabi natin na limit as x approaches positive infinity of x to the n and limit as x approaches negative infinity ng x to the n, if n is even, then this will just become positive infinity. And if n is odd, then this is still equal to positive infinity. Bakit? Kasi negative times negative ay equal sa positive. And positive times positive ay equal sa positive. Okay? Pero, kapag limit as x approaches positive infinity ng x to the n, limit as x approaches negative infinity ng x to the n, if n is odd. Okay? This will be equal to positive infinity. Ito magiging equal to negative infinity. Bakit? Any negative number raised to an odd power ay magiging negative pa din. Okay? So, negative times negative times negative ay equal sa negative. So, negative times negative times negative ay equal sa negative. And lastly, we have yung most important in my opinion ay limit as x approaches positive infinity or negative infinity ng c over x to the n. Okay? And this will become equal to 0. Bakit? If c is any real number, okay, so meaning it has constant siya, so 2, di ba? 2 over x raised to n, and x approaches infinity. Diba? So, meaning, yung number na x ay lumalaki ng lumalaki. No? So, let's say, ganyan siya, 1 million billion. Diba? And this approaches 0. Okay? So, hindi natin kailangan alalahanin itong theorem na to na limit ng x approaches positive or negative infinity ng c over x to the n ay equals 0. Isipin lang natin na if we have a constant over something na very, very big number, then mag-approach lang siya to 0 or magiging equal to 0 yung limit. Okay, so in the next episodes, we'll be solving some examples involving limits at infinity. So see you in the next video.